Now we get into a little bit of the nerdy stuff. So I want to talk about HRV, heart rate variability. Heart rate variability is the measure of the time between every single heartbeat. For a long time, it was falsely assumed that having a steady heart rate meant that you were healthy. So if you're at 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, healthy. What we have now discovered is that that is untrue. Having variability in your heart rate is a better sign of health. HRV, now I don't remember when it was invented or discovered, but it became popular in the 60s when we realized that it was the most non-invasive way of measuring whether a fetus inside a womb was healthy or not. What was discovered was if the fetus had a very steady heart rate, let's say 120, 120, 120, 120, that fetus was actually struggling, was in distress, and there was going to be an issue with the birth. Whereas if the fetus had a nice variable heart rate, 120, 150, 125, 130, 125, 140, 120, 140, what that indicated was that the fetus was doing just fine. That was not going to be a complicated birth. The analogy is you and I are like a mountain bicycle. Every good mountain bike has 16 to 18 gears. And it's nice having gears because based on the terrain, if you're riding uphill, if it's bumpy, if your legs are tired, you can switch gears for a more smooth or comfortable ride. If you're a one-speed bike, good luck. That is going to be a hard ride, uphill, bumpy terrain, tired legs. Having heart rate variability is like gears. We can switch gears so that we can adapt to our changing environment.